If y is equal to ex sine x, then dy dx must be done using the product rule. And so that means that ex must be multiplied by sine x, and we add ex again, multiplied by cos x. This can be rewritten by taking out the ex out of the brackets and leaving sine x plus cos x. And we know that when y is differentiated, it becomes dy dx. But when dy dx is integrated, we get back to y. And as our y was ex sine x, and when we differentiated it, it became ex sine x plus cos x. And so if we integrate this ex sine x plus cos x, we will get back to ex sine x. Hence, by integrating ex sine x plus cos x dx, we will get ex sine x plus the constant of integration.